Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate gifts. First, gather your high-quality ingredients and essential tools. You'll need good chocolate, molds, and a reliable thermometer. Understanding the basics of tempering is crucial for a professional, glossy finish. Finally, plan your presentation carefully to make your homemade treats truly special and memorable for the recipient, ensuring a delightful experience. Tempering is key for shiny, snap-able chocolate. Gently melt your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to a working temperature, typically between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This process aligns the cocoa butter crystals, preventing bloom. Maintain this temperature while working to ensure a beautiful, stable product. Remember, even a drop of water can ruin your batch. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time to mold. Ensure your molds are completely clean and dry. Carefully pour the tempered chocolate into your chosen molds, tapping them gently on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. If you're adding fillings like caramel or ganache, do so now. Allow the chocolate to set fully before carefully unmolding your beautiful creations. Now for the fun part, decorating and packaging. You can add edible dusts, drizzles, or transfer sheets for extra flair. Make sure your chocolate is completely firm before handling to avoid smudges. Choose attractive packaging such as small boxes, cellophane bags, or decorative tins to enhance the gift's appeal. Store your finished chocolate gifts in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight until they are ready to be presented.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.